Have you ever thought about creating a sensory garden? A sensory garden is a delightful space that engages all five senses, providing a sanctuary for relaxation and pleasure. Creating a sensory garden is not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break it down into easy, manageable steps. The first step in creating a sensory garden is choosing the right location. A spot that balances sunlight and shade is key. Consider accessibility too, ensuring it's a safe and comfortable place. Once you've chosen the perfect location, it's time to start planning. Now that you have your location, it's time to plan your sensory garden. Consider plants and features that stimulate all five senses. Embrace diversity in textures, colors, scents, sounds, and tastes. Once you've planned out your garden, the next step is to start planting. With a good plan in place, you're ready to start planting. Prepare the soil diligently and space your plants appropriately. Remember, regular maintenance is key to a healthy, vibrant garden. With careful planting and regular maintenance, your sensory garden will be a delight to all five senses. Creating a sensory garden is a fun and rewarding project that can bring joy to anyone who visits it. Remember, pick your location, plan your garden, then plant and maintain. Give it a try and watch the magic happen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Happy gardening!